Hi, and welcome to this week's episode of Building My Veggie Garden. We are glad to have you here. This is part 2 of a special episode about urban farming, featuring St. Pete Youth Farm. In the last episode, we learned about St. Pete Youth Farm's mission and its history. In this episode, we discover how large a project can be when you are building an urban farm. Planting a single-family backyard garden is much different than an urban farm that expands slightly under an acre of land. When we start a veggie garden, it may be enough to have a bag of organic soil, a garden trowel, a gallon of water, some mulch and some types of seeds, and most likely a parent and the kids will work on the garden. An urban farm requires more people and gardening tools. Because of the larger scale, it will have a larger variety of seeds. St. Pete Youth Farm has a permanent team led by Carol Bristol, the collaboration manager. Carla's incredible team includes a program assistant and 11 youth ambassadors. And let's not forget the dozens of volunteers that help build and maintain the farm. With all of the people working together, St. Pete Youth Farm has become a sustainable place where the community can depend on for organic and healthy food. As an example of sustainability, St. Pete Youth Farm produces its own soil called Black Gold by composting food waste and organic matter in a 40-yard area in a corner of the farm.
So a lot of people think if you're composting food outside, that means that you're going to get a lot of flies and rodents. You just have to make sure that you're covering it well. And then it has to heat up. It's like you need it to cook and break down all the microorganisms so that you then get topsoil to grow your food. Same thing like if you care about what you put in your body, care about what you put in your soil so that you can end up producing better quality food. So gosh, look how many compost bins we have here. But our young people, basically, it's part of their responsibility to go ahead and get the buckets and buckets of fruits and vegetables that would typically go to waste and take it and compost it so that when we're ready to grow food in the fall, we would have top quality soil to grow food with here at the farm.
St. Pete Youth Farm is also working with the University of South Florida, building 3 tote water tanks. Each tote collects about 330 gallons of rainwater, and when it's full, it may weigh as much as a baby elephant. That's about 300 pounds.
We've decided that we really need to ensure that we're being sustainable, and part of that is we're in Florida, guys. We know from June 1st to November 30th is hurricane season, meaning we're going to get a lot of rain. Why not collect that water? So we're hoping between these 3 totes that we'll get over 1,000 or more gallons of water.
St. Pete Youth Farm is in the process of building a hydroponic greenhouse, which is a system for growing vegetables in water.
And this is another hydroponic system. It's known as a tower system. So if you have a small school or a small community center, you want to grow food, each one of these food would be popping out of, like tomatoes or lettuce, or all popping out of it and growing just in that little bit of space.
St. Pete Youth Farm has also designated areas for the community, like the yoga area for the mindful meditation, the kiddie area for the arts and crafts for kids, and the classroom area for the classes they offer to the community. Candace, Cadence, and Erwin visited the farm and took a tour. Let's see what they discover on the farm.
Hi, I'm Candace, and this is Building My Veggie Garden. Today we are at St. Pete Youth Farm, and we're going to take a tour of the farm, and we're going to learn so much. We want you guys to come along with us.
We have right now over 500 bulbs of garlic and onions growing here.
So over here we have turnips. As you can see, it's another root vegetable. So it actually grows in the ground. You can eat the leaves, but this is the main part that people eat, is the actual root. Mm-hmm. This is the curly kale. You can touch it. It's really crunchy feeling. You see these bright plants right here. There's all these different bright pinks and yellows. These are rainbow chard. These are like banana peppers right here.
Who wants to try this?
Okra. Chili peppers. Eggplant.
These are cucumbers.
Tomatoes.
Purple cabbage. Right here is the broccoli.
Arugula.
It's another spicy leafy green. So this is tatsoi, similar to bok choy. Right now what it's doing is it's flowering, and so all these little pods that you see, these little pods, they're holding seeds. So once it dries, we'll pick them off and we'll have hundreds and hundreds of seeds that we can plant later, because we only have 2 of them. So in the future, when we harvest these seeds, we'll be able to grow, you know, however many we want. So that's the other thing with the plants. The plants will produce more in the future for you if you let them go to seed. So that's why seeds are important, and saving your seeds. We have a free seed library that was put together for us by Rob Greenfield, who is an environmental activist and humanitarian. So if you guys want to start growing some stuff, there are some free seeds right here.
Being on the farm, well, it was amazing. We want to thank Carla and her team for letting us come out to the farm and learn about urban farming. We hope to come back soon. We want to thank our audience for tuning in. We always enjoy sharing with you about vegetables and gardening. We hope to see you in our next episode. For more information about St. Pete Youth Farm, please visit the website and social media. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep fighting the battle of the veggies.